Okay, assigning a cost to finished goods. This is when the jobs are done and we no longer need to keep the cost in work in process inventory. So we've got a job cost sheet here for job 101, and all the materials, labor, and overhead have already been added to the cost sheet. All the costs can get added up, and we see that $39,000 is what it costs to make job 101. We can see that since we made 1,000 units, the unit cost is $39. So if we made this job and one customer wanted to buy 500 of these, we would know that we could charge $39 a piece in cost plus any markup in order to make a profit on these jobs. But to move the cost out of WIP, simply we do a pretty simple entry. We just debit WIP inventory. That gets the cost out of WIP, and we debit finished goods inventory. That moves the cost into finished goods. Then, to record the sale, what we do is we've got two entries like we always have for recording sales of products. The first one is to record our revenue that we make, or our sales. This is the marked up cost that we're going to collect from our customer. Debit, AR, credit sales, we've seen that before. And then here, this is the entry where we move our costs out of finished goods and into cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold being the expense, gets debited, finished goods inventory is reduced by crediting it down by $39,000. So that's moving the cost out of finished goods and into cost of goods sold. And this illustration shows you a good summary of the whole process of all the costs moving through the accumulation accounts and into work in process, and then finished goods, and then cost of goods sold. You can see some finalized entries down here on this example problem that they have you do. So you can work through some of that stuff too.